This is a step-by-step guide to install MongoDB Community Edition. We will cover the complete installation walkthrough for Windows, Mac, and Linux operating systems. Before we begin the installation, let's review the prerequisites and download source. First, let us look at the system requirements. You will need a 64-bit operating system, minimum 4 GB of RAM, 2 GB of free disk space, and administrator privileges. To download MongoDB, please visit the official MongoDB website at mongodb.com/try/download. Let's start with the installation on Windows. First, download the MongoDB.msi installer. Second, run the installer as administrator. Third, choose the complete setup type during the installation process. Fourth, install MongoDB as a Windows service. To verify the installation, open the command prompt and run the command, mongod version. Now let's look at the macOS installation. We will be using Homebrew, which is the recommended method. If you do not have Homebrew installed, run this command in your terminal, /bin/bash $curl fssl https://rwd github-usercontent.com/homebrew/install/head/install.sh. After Homebrew is installed, add the MongoDB tap by running this command, brew tap mongob/brew. Finally, install MongoDB by running brew install MongoDB Community. Now let's see how to install MongoDB on Linux, specifically Ubuntu or Debian distributions, using the apt package manager. First, import the public key using this command, get qhttps://www.mongodb.org/static/pgp/server-7.0.asc sudo apt key add dash. Then, add the repository with the following command, echo deb arch equals amd64, arm64 https://repo, mongodb.org/app/ubuntu focal/mongodborg/7.0 multiverse, sudo t/etc/app/sources, list e/mongob.org 7.0.list. Finally, install MongoDB using these commands, sudo apt-get update followed by sudo apt-get install y mongodborg. After the installation is complete, it's time to start and verify the MongoDB service. On Windows, use the command net start MongoDB. On Mac or Linux, use the command sudo systemctl start mongod. To connect to MongoDB and test the installation, open a new terminal or command prompt and type mongosh. If everything is installed correctly, you will see the MongoDB shell prompt. Congratulations, MongoDB installation is complete. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.